Good morning, my YouTuber. Today, my generator came in. I had a 2400 watt. I was trying to run my 16,000 BTU on my boat. Couldn't handle it. Keep tripping. So I ordered this from Amazon, $449. Let's see how good it is. 3600 watt. But the good thing is it's got a 30 amp outlet with, because my AC, when that time it kicks on, it pulls about 18 to 20 amp. And the other one, can only produce 15 the most. And every time I crank it on, it trips. So we're gonna see how this one can do. Let's unbox it. Okay guys, looks like it comes in with 1 quart of oil, some funnel, some spark plug remover. That's it. Alright, we're gonna run for like maybe 2 hours to break it in. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty nice, well packed. Alright, tonight we're gonna start it. Right now, so I gotta go to work. Gotta pay the bill, guys. Alright. You guys subscribe? That'll help me out. I'm trying to get to 6,000 subscribers. Right now I'm at 3,400. Once I get 3,600 subscribers, I might be able to get a brand, like sponsor. I try to email this company if I can, they can give me a discount so I can, do their product. I didn't get a response. So I went ahead and bought it anyway, regardless or not. Because we're gonna go fishing in the next 2 weeks, and I want to know if this baby can run my 60,000 BTU AC. Alright. Tonight we're gonna start it, put some oil in it, and run it for 2 hours. Alright guys. Right now I just gotta go work, gotta pay the bill. Okay guys, just got back from work, so we're gonna figure it out. So I got light everywhere. It's pretty simple. You turn this right here, I guess it comes out. Alright, that's pretty simple, guys. That part comes down. Okay. And then you put the oil right here. Alright, so we're gonna fill it up. Okay, we fill the oil up. I don't think it's in a quart. It's not full yet. Put some more, take it to a quart, I guess. And I'm not gonna bore you with this adding the oil. So let's see. It said 16 ounce, 17 ounce. Let's round it up. Now in a quart. Alright guys, we're gonna tie it up. Let's put some gas on and fire it up. How loud this baby is. And tomorrow I'll take it to my boat to see it can start my engine, my AC. Okay guys, she fire up right away, no problem. 60 hertz. I'm not sure what the amp yet. Didn't do anything. I will let it run for an hour. Alright guys, we cut out the Eagle Mall. not too bad. I'm okay with it. Good morning, guys. All right, got the generator. We have my boat now. We're gonna test it out, see if you can handle it. Right now we're doing the regular outlet without the 30 amp. Let's see if she can run it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look like she runs fine. All right, looks like she can handle it. So we're down to 64, guys. 63. Let the pressure build up. I mean, it's getting there. It's a little hot in here, a lot of humidity in here. So it's gonna take its time to cool down. So basically dropping 59, 58. Alright, the microwave still working. We're not gonna try the microwave yet until I hook up the 30 amp. Our next stop is to test the battery, see if the battery can handle it. Okay, you know that water runs good. This is PCIe. My generator is running, so she's doing good. Alright guys, she's still doing good at 60 hertz. No hertz drop, it's a good thing. About like 10. 121 volt. It's really good. I'm really impressed. That's really not bad at all. Very efficient. Next up to hook up the 30 amp breaker. That's what I'm going to do. Right now. Run for about an hour and a half, see how it goes. Okay guys, when I first kicked on, it went to about 21 amp it's pulling. So that means I'm going to need a soft starter on there to help ease the generator stress. Because you know, that you do like that, if you take that much stress like that, it's not good for the electronic in there, especially if I have a laptop hooked up, you know. But as it runs steady, it's pulling about 13.7 amp. Not bad, you know. Over here is an M. 0.3. That don't make sense. 120 volt. We're at 60 hertz. 50% load. Not bad. She's doing really good. Okay guys, we got about 1100 watts of the small heater right here, and the AC is running. It runs fine. We can try the microwave. Okay, the microwave is running. Alright, so we know I can run the microwave, the air conditioner, and the heater at the same time with no problem. Alright. Guys, it's good to know that I can have a heater in the winter and AC in the summer. So awesome. Alright, let me charge my GoPro. It's about to run out of battery, guys.